Urgent hiring for unit HR manager. A leading export manufacturing company is looking for an experienced unit HR manager to join its team in Sonipat, Haryana. Position: Unit HR manager. Location: Sonipat, Haryana. Industry: export manufacturing. Experience: minimum 10 years. CTC up to 10 LPA. Qualification: MBA, PGDM in HR. Experience in export house manufacturing industry. Key responsibilities: factory HR operations, industrial relations and administration, payroll, statutory compliance, contract labor and government license, factory administration, workforce management and audit readiness, manage social compliance audit, SA 8000, BSCI, SEDAX, Fair Trade, HIG. Preferred profile: strong experience in factory HR and international social compliance audits, exposure to export-oriented manufacturing and global compliance standard। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं इस जॉब के लिए तो नीचे दिए गए ईमेल पर अपना रिज्यूम भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।